What up guys, Retro Django here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the Retro Player Topper. Look at this beauty. It's absolutely astonishing. I love it. So, when I got contacted, this was actually just a panel that you could hang on the wall, right? And you can choose between 80s and 90s movies to roll on there. You can choose between console gaming, like Nintendo, like Super whatever, Sega system, and you can show games from that, right? Or arcade games, Neo Geo games, Amiga games, Commodore 64 games. It's just jam-packed. Also, X-rated adult stuff. You have all the files in here. Okay, on top of that, it comes in 3 different sizes. So you can have, this is the biggest one and smaller, right? So this one, you should actually be about 2 meters, right? But when I went in and found out what more it had was pinball short videos. Now, the short videos are small clips when you start a mode, when you have small, mode starts, when you make multiple, something like that. It has so many different pinball machines showing small, like this, you can see. And it has got another drawer where you can go in and see pinball story modes. Oh, I'm sorry, that was a bit loud. And I actually activated pinball story modes here. And it has so many videos in a dark room. It's just so cool. So I talked with the developer, the seller of this amazing product, and right now, as we speak, he just sent me the pictures because this one is a wall mounted stuff. Usually it has got wall mounting hole at the background. So he sent me with these small legs so I could use it as a topper. And I told him, when we notch the machine, I want the topper to be much more steady than it is right now. So right now, he's actually working on a much more steady mount than this. It's just so awesome. Oh my goodness. Sorry guys, we got Tales from the Crypt over here. And the same seller sent me this awesome Pin2 DMD display, and it's a game changer like nothing else. What an amazing upgrade. I love it. So yeah, check out the links down below guys. Check out the link. You can go into, I'm gonna link to his Facebook page, so you can go in and order this. 3 different sizes. I made a short video. So many of you guys ask, what the heck? This is an amazing topper, man. I want this. You can use it as a topper or something on the wall. Again, 3 different sizes. You can have them smaller than this. But this size is actually, if you're about 2 meters from it, like right now, it's cool. But the best part is when it's dark in here, man. When it's dark, the video quality, everything, it's so amazing. You can adjust the brightness, and you can go in and put in your Wi-Fi address and code, and you can watch the hour and stuff like that also. So you have some different stuff also in the background. But for me, this is a must-have, awesome pinball topper. And the coolest part, the shorts videos that's included in the micro SD card, you can go in and say, yeah, I have got a Demolition Man. Then and you can loop it just to show Demolition Man videos. So you can have pictures like this, so many video GIF clips of Demolition Man only. You can lock it to show that. You can lock it to show Tales from the Arabian Nights. You can have everything running up there. I just took story mode and just, showing some different stuff. As you can see right now, it's showing Demolition Man. Do I like it? Heck yeah. If you have a line of pinball machines at the same height, this could be awesome, man. So you turn them on, and you can have different stuff specifically for the game only, or just what I'm showing right now, just different stuff. As you can see, it doesn't take that much space. It's a simple system. Just give it some power and it will start running. And again, just jump into your PC, put in some more GIF files, or choose another pinball machine. 80s and 90s movies, it was awesome. I just checked it out, so many clips. But if you have arcade machines, now this is the retro player. If you have arcade machines, this is a must. In any arcade room, so many cool clips. Just playing the games and having this running at the background, it's awesome. Now you're asking me, how much does it cost? It's like other toppers, like $2,500. No, it's not. It's cheap, guys. I don't even remember. I think it's a couple of $100 or something. So it's very cheap. That's not the important part. The important part is the effect that it gives. Now it's very light here. Tonight I will make a short video and share it with you guys. When it's dark in your game room, it's so awesome. It's so fantastic. So a better pinball topper mounting stuff is being produced right now. Go in and contact the seller if you want something like this. It's so cool. Again, smaller sizes also, but I think the biggest one, as you can see, it's I would love if it was as wide as the pinball machine, but this wasn't intended. This wasn't made for a pinball. Oh man, when I look at the colors in the real deal and colors on the screen it looks really bad. The real deal, very vibrant, very cool looking. As you can see, we have got some high-speed 2 action going on up there. And the colors are so much off on my iPhone 16. The real deal, oh, this red is so freaking beautiful. But you know how it is when you're recording LED panels, guys. So thank you for watching. Go into the description right now. Go in and write to him. Just say hi from Retro Django. Maybe he will put in some more stuff. He's such a cool guy. When you buy this, order a pin to DMD display from him. I mean, he makes everything himself. He has got those noise cancellation boards for Data East games. He has got ribbon tester kits. He makes all this stuff himself, and his prices are so freaking cheap. So support him. He has pinball in his heart. What a great guy. Go and support him, guys. Go and support him. Pin to DMD. I want this on all my games. But yeah, this one up here, it's absolutely amazing. And the other side is just, yeah, the same, right? Yeah. Awesome. And for your game room, you can also just have it as a wall mount, because I think it was made, to see what time it is and show some clips from different arcade games and Neo Geo and everything. It's in there. So any arcade room, any pinball room, again, the real deal is so beautiful. This is Godzilla from Sega. Yeah, so that will run, and in a couple of months I will go in and change it to pinball short mode videos only, and I can get all, I think, hundreds of different clips of different pinball machines, and I can enjoy it. I'm thinking about getting another one and having on my background when I record We Are Pinball with Donnie, so you can see all this running in the background. I think it's absolutely amazing. And it's just GIF files, guys. You can go and insert your own stuff in there. What do you think about it? I mean, when I saw it, I was like, forget about arcade stuff. Forget about arcade game rooms, console game rooms. You need to produce this for pinball machine people. Because us pinball guys, we love toppers. And a couple of $100, it's so cheap, and the camera doesn't do justice for it. It looks so cool in the real deal. So freaking cool. I love it. So with better mounting brackets coming up very soon. And also I would love if the power cable was at the back side so you couldn't see it. He said you could get, a 90-degree angle, but just remove the power cable, and I just wanted to turn on with my pinball machine, because This is pure awesomeness, man. I love it. I love it. Gonna say hi from Retro Django, okay? I mean, I know how pinball people are with toppers, and this, I don't know, if you buy a topper for 200 bucks, what can you get today? Of course, the smaller versions are cheaper. I also thought about buying the smallest version. I think it's right here. Buying the smallest version, and if you have some games where you have some, you know, room at the back of the game, then you can install it there and run clips from that game only. I can go now and lock it to run Tales from the Arabian Night only, so it only shows stuff from that game. But right now it has got Sega games, Data East games, Bella Williams games, Stern games. So yeah, I think it's cool. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. See you on the next video. Retro Django is gonna play some Last Action Hero. Look at this, guys. Look at this awesomeness. Woo! Look at this beauty. Isn't it cool? Yeah! Oh, we're up at Indiana Jones. Isn't it cool? I should have sent it to the box brothers.